I got into medical school because I love the sciences and I love chemistry and anatomy, but I wanted to combine it with the next step, which was helping people in making diagnosis and appropriate therapies. I rotated through gastroenterology, and what I found was it gave a combination of things that other specialties didn't. It gave a combination of the internal medicine where you diagnose and treat patients, but it also gave you procedural surgical procedures to do, also called endoscopic surgeries. The first patient visit is really a get-to-know-you patient visit, and I'd like to know your whole history. And I think it's important to put your gastrointestinal symptoms in relationship to your entire history, your past medical history, whether it includes heart or lung disease, diabetes, or arthritis, your past surgical history, whether it includes gallbladder surgery, appendectomy, lung or heart surgery, like a list of those. I think it's important for the physician to be open and honest, and I think it's important for the patient to be open and honest, and I try to, through my experience and knowledge, try to give them an appropriate image of a gastroenterologist who's going to listen to them intently, take their answers in appropriate context. And I think they need to develop a trust that what they tell me is in trust. And I hope that we develop that relationship. I really enjoy meeting the patients, and I like figuring out what their problem is. And I think giving them that hope that they haven't received before. Making the appropriate diagnosis really is, in the appropriate treatment plan, is not only a wonderful feeling for the patient, but it's a wonderful feeling for me as a physician. And I think it reinforces why I went into medicine and why I went to medical school and internship, residency, fellowship, did all the hard work, because it all comes together. And when you can really make a person's life different by the right diagnosis and the right treatment, and shape the way things go for them in the future and their future health, it's really an exhilarating experience.